Hooponopono as usual today. And today is the last day of this particular week, and where we were talking about health. But we will continue health for one another week, as that's the most important aspect of our life. And if you heal your health, all your areas start healing automatically. So we will start with result sharing first. Padma, let's start with you. Yes. You'll have to unmute again.
It is showing unmute from my side.
Okay, now it is.
Yeah, it is taking little time after probably. Okay, so the best result is that my relationship with my daughter is still topsy-turvy. It is improving every day. So I have a session for her, like with my parenting session. It is part of that. So it's a goal setting session, and she was furious, literally furious. How can you enroll my name for some such sessions without taking my permission? And she was furious, but somehow she said कि कर दिया है तो अब जाना ही पड़ेगा, मेरा 2 घंटा तो बर्बाद हो गया. But during the session also she enjoyed that things. And because today morning I literally did the Hooponopono for the entire process, and after coming back now she told ki next week also I will join because we have some more things to do. So that is the huge result.
Oh, congratulations, that's great.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone. Give it lots of love, blessings, and congratulations for healing your relationship with your daughter. Okay, thank you. Vijayalakshmi ma'am, let's go ahead with you. Something is weird which is happening. Just give me 1 second. Yes, ma'am. हो गया.
नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
मेरे पोती का एग्जाम चल रहा है. मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट हिंदी है, लेकिन उसे वो हिंदी उतना फेवरेट नहीं है. जब भी हिंदी पेपर आता है तो नानी की याद आती है उसे. तो मैंने कहा चलो एक काम करते हैं, मैजिक करते हैं. तो पहले ही उसे बताया था मैंने के बारे में, और जब भी पेपर रहता है एक बार उसे दोहराओ ताकि तुम्हारा पेपर आसान हो जाएगा. तो इतनी होशियार है, पूछती है क्या पेपर लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो भी यूनिवर्स आके लिखेगा क्या, पूछती है. मैंने कहा तुम्हारा विद्यार्थी का काम करो, यूनिवर्स ग्रेस देगा, सिक्सर मारेगा, पेपर आसान होगा, तुझे भी खुशी होगी, मुझे भी खुशी होगी. परसों पेपर हो गया और लिखने लगी, नानी मेरा पेपर अच्छा गया, ऐसे.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Thank you, congratulations आपको भी and आपके पोती नाती को भी. Congratulations everyone. I guess वो freeze हो गए हैं. So thank you everyone. Give a lots of love, blessings, and congratulations. Shyam sir, you're next. Yes, you can unmute and share. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have shared actually it is in relation with the previous how was my health. I was so much worried about my health earlier. मुझे भूख नहीं लगता था उतना, and I was having about 76 weight भी ज्यादा था. That also now I am 76 kg कम हो गया है. And really that's a real achievement. And there are some secrets that I want to share now today, so that I feel it, I call it as the secrets of my good health, improved health. सुबह उठते ही मैं बेड टी लेता था पहले. I used to take bed tea. I wanted 2 cups of tea with lots of biscuits and toasts. All are junk foods. I used to have it. I used to enjoy those days. But afterwards, I felt that they are the cause of my chronic constipation. And in the morning also used to take, in the afternoon also, and evening also I used to take a lot of junk foods. So now I have completely stopped. There is not a single biscuit I am taking. It is fully stopped now. Instead of that, I am taking lots of juices. That's today I felt. Really, I felt after doing my Hooponopono, and I took it. Really, it was a different experience, ma'am. It was very much different. And another thing I adopted was about the oil, refined oil. We used to have refined oil. Now completely stopped. I am taking cold pressed oil, that too coconut, are using coconut and groundnut, only those two. That too from the well, I mean, I am personally go and I take it. I will friends see, is it a good or they just from in my nearby place, they manufacture. I mean, they will prepare it cold pressed. So only those oils we are saving, and that is also made a great impact by shifting from refined oil to cold pressed oil. It is very good for our health also. Both, I mean, both my missus also appreciating those things now. And another is, and we are now, we as a senior citizens, really we are lucky because we have a ample time now. There is no hurry to go to office, other work, there is no tension at all. Really, we are really, I feel that it is our golden days of our life. It's really, we are really, so that could help us to even eating, we are eating very mindfully now and eating quality food. That's what I shifted to all these quality. I'm taking balanced quality food now, preferring which is, I am listening to my body. I'm asking, I'm taking permission whether can I take it. Yes, this body tells me you can go ahead. This is good for your health. So those things I am finding it very humorous, and I am enjoying the life, ma'am. That's what I want to tell in a brief. That's the thing happening now. And really, this good. It seems to be this Hooponopono. This made us to think properly, take correct decisions, judicious decisions to our life, as well as my harmony with my spouse is also very much improved. There is a pure love now. There is we're finding very pure, without any expectation, without any, there is it's a child, how the child is mother child relation. There is a relation. I feel that she is my child, and she feels she is my child. That's what she is nowadays. She is asking to don't do more, or don't lift heavy things. She has so much coordination. There is I can't express now. So we are really happy, ma'am. Really happy.
Thank you for sharing. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Everyone, give him lots of love, blessings, and congratulations so that you can receive all his blessings 10 times faster. Okay, so I guess Shyam sir, you should start now your own classes of this health for senior citizens. Start with your free sessions first, and then you can charge for your service. Okay, you have really got wonderful knowledge now, which you should share with people. And you are now very curious to share it. Okay, so how many of you can see he is very curious to share whatever he is doing with his health? Okay, so that's the way to serve people. So you can start making money also in your golden days. Okay, so everyone, if anyone has more results, please raise your hand. Or if not, then we will move to today's lessons. Everyone give lots of blessings to all the people who are watching us live on YouTube. Congratulations for all your health, relationship, career, and money goals are already achieved. And let's pray for all the results that we have received today. Close your eyes, fold your hands, and take a deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Repeat with me. For all our results that we have shared, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. All those who are watching us live or on recording, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now take your name, everyone. I'll say my name, dear Beshu. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Okay, open your eyes and let's say bye to everyone. And let's switch to our advanced lesson for the major things that we were discussing yesterday. We'll continue it today. Oh, okay, so there is something which happened. So I guess we were actually not live on YouTube. This time I was recording here.